Here's a little unboxing of these OAKDOLCHE Bunion cushions right here. Come in this nice little box, and I'll show you what they look like, how they come packaged and everything like that. So there's this little plastic bag that they all come inside of, and you've got some instructions on the back of the box there. And then I think I gotta unwrap this a little bit more here. There we go. Now I can get these out of here. Here's what they look like. You got some instructions on the pads themselves here, and I'll peel it off right there. So that removes that piece, and then you can stick that on, and then you've got the back piece of it. So let's see, let's just use this as an example right here. If I put it down right there, and then step 2 is to remove this top layer just like that. There's 2 pieces, and there you go. There's your bunion cushion right there. Zoom in on that for you. That's what it looks like.